This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Marshall.toney. Don't miss your opportunity to check out this beautiful 3-level home boasting high ceilings and a cascading staircase. This home's open floor plan offers a gourmet kitchen west/morning room, granite island and breakfast bar. The grand owner's suite offers double walk-in closets and double vanities, a spa-like soaking tub, and a standing shower. Upgrades include first floor HW floors, gas stove, heated/cooled unfinished walkout basement, plumbed for third bath. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Marshall.toney at 757-220-9500.